Alright guys, we are back with more Sonic Adventure, and today we will be playing the Knuckles story, which is finally something new. We have no idea what happens with Knuckles before and after they meet up with Tails and Sonic and Tails. So yeah, let's see what we have here. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Here we go. Exactly what I said. Let's go. Oh. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Oh, right. Yeah. Knuckles gets tricked again.
As far back as I can remember, I've been living here on this dark island, always guarding the Master Emerald from anything that could harm it. I don't know why I was given this job, why it was my fate. Destined to be here forever.
Uh-oh.
What the?
Oh, right. Chaos breaks out from the Emerald. Oh. Is it because, yeah, Chaos is sealed in the Master Emerald?
What's going on here?
If I remember correctly.
Oh no! Something's happened to the Master Emerald!
Bro, it literally just broke to free out this
Who
guy.
are you? Did you do this? Oh, I'll get you for this! Oh!
Now, why did he break out the seal?
Hey! No fair!
I mean, how did he break out the seal? Oh, he's gone now.
Wait! What's happening to you? Come back here! Whoa, that was incredible. I've never seen anything like it. Oh no, it's starting to happen. Without the Master Emerald's power, this whole island will fall into the ocean.
Damn. That's not good. And that's what we saw from the opening cutscene. Yeah. Now he's somehow at Station Square.
It's up to me to find the missing pieces of the Master Emerald.
Help find Emerald.
It won't be easy. Pieces flew off everywhere. Guess I better start looking anywhere I can.
Yeah. So I'm assuming this is like... Oh, good. Yeah. This is before Sonic found Chaos. So what do we have to do here?
Knuckles, you should be able to get into City Hall.
Here? City Hall? Oh, you mean... I think City Hall's over here, right? Yeah. Oh, new area. Wait, Speed Highway?
Keep your eyes on the radar to find the pieces
Oh my
of the
god,
land.
no, we're doing treasure hunting, guys.
This way.
Okay.
This way.
Wait, where is it? Oh.
This way.
This way. Oh, I see it. So, unlike Sonic Adventure 2, because I did play the, what's it called, the battle version. So, where I only play battle. I know that Knuckles can dig in that, but he can't dig in Sonic Adventure 1, huh?
Emeralds can even be found inside enemy characters.
Okay, so we have to kill this guy, right? Oh, there it is.
One more to go.
Yeah, one more to go.
This way.
There's nothing this way though. Oh, bug? Am I dumb? This
The
one.
tanks on the building tops can be broken if you punch them.
Oh! It's right here. Found it. Let's go. Easy clap.
Good enough.
Yep. Alright, now where do I go?
You can go to the casino area at nighttime.
Of course, we're going back to the casino where we literally get thrown in the dumps again. Wait, how did I get there without getting through here? Oh, maybe it's over here. Yeah. Alright. So we're over here now.
No trains are currently in service.
Yeah, I need to... How do I get up there? Oh, I see. There we go. Got it. Alright, let's go. Oh no.
This way.
This one's close. It's over by this way. Where? What the heck? Is that? Oh wait, what? I can't see. What? I literally can't see anything. Oh my god. Okay, I found one, but it wasn't the one I was trying to get. This one was the one I'm trying to get. I just can't figure it out. You know what? Let's just find everything else before you find that one.
This way.
So there's nothing in the showers. Okay, that was pretty obvious.
One more to go.
Alright, now let's try to get the last one somehow. Alright, so I kind of messed up. While I was doing the casino thing, I decided to pause the recording and search it until I find it, and then unpause the recording. I did find where it was. It was under the no, it was in the statue, so I had to like break it. But what I forgot to do was unpause the recording. So I did so much, and I just forgot to record it all. So like I can't go back unless I have to delete the entire file, which kind of sucks. So I'm just gonna tell you what happens. Right after we get out of the casino, we just find Sonic and Tails sleeping because, you know, remember how Eggman just put some sleep gas on them after they came out of the casino? And then Knuckles finds Eggman. He chases after him into like a hotel room. And then Eggman summons Chaos, makes him into Chaos 2. Knuckles fights Chaos 2. After that, Eggman lies to Knuckles that Sonic is trying to get the Master Emerald as well. And then Knuckles goes and finds more Master Emerald pieces, and then he finds Sonic, and then we do the whole thing into Chaos 4 scenario. And then after that, we go to the jungle, where now we need to find 2 stone statues, where it opens up like a secret path underneath the ancient temple shown in the flashback. Oh right, Knuckles also had a flashback after the casino. So, yeah, he just finds out how the leader of the Knuckles clan just wants to freaking, use the power of the emeralds to take over everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, we are back. And yeah, so
2 stone statues. The door to the past.
there's one statue over here. So where we have to go with this, I pretty much just figured it out. Like, literally just figured that out. We have to go to the temple over here. And again, I'm going to say this right now. I'm sorry that I literally just forgot to record everything that happened before this. But we're just going to do it. We're just going to continue. Ah, Knuckles, stop glitching out. Alright, what does that do? Okay, we need one more. Now, where is that last one? Now, this is gonna be tough because now we have to search around the entire jungle. So it might take a bit. I might just cut to when I find it. Alright, so I found what seems to be it. Knuckles can actually dig. So, yeah. We just got the things for him.
Yeah.
Is this what I needed? Oh, this is what I needed. Yup. Alright, we found it. So now let's go back. Alright, let's go back this way. Okay, camera, work with me here. Throw this. There you go. And now this will open, right? Yup.
2 stone statues.
Okay, I don't know why I did it. Wait, Sonic Lost World? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, there's one nearby. Okay, it's not that. Huh? Is it above me? Oh, there's one right here. Oh!
2 more.
Okay, I just need 2 more. I need some rings. It's definitely... Oh, right here. There we go. One more. I saw something over here. Everything shine blue. Oh. It's up here. Oh, found it.
Let's go.
We did it!
Found it.
And why is no clipping on the ground?
Good enough.
Yup. What the heck? Oh no, we're in the past again.
Where am I? This is very strange. So we're back in Angel Island.
I beg of you, hear me now. My father is coming here soon, and I fear what may happen. You must take everyone away from here. Oh, please. So, are you saying you can't leave this place? I understand. Let me talk to my father again.
What? Who are you talking to? What?
There must be a better way to do this.
Oh look, Chow.
Don't worry, my friends. I won't let you down. I must do something quickly.
Oh hey, he's back in the real Angel Island.
What? I'm back in front of the altar. This is beginning to blow my mind. Wait a minute, I remember. The broken pieces of the Master Emerald.
Wait, you
I
have
have
them all,
to
right?
restore them to where they belong.
Do you have them all? Oh, apparently we do. Oh, wow. Okay. I think there should be like 12 of them, right? And it's full again.
It's still incomplete.
What? Oh wow, it is.
I need to find the remaining pieces, wherever they are.
I wonder
Hey.
where.
Look,
Oh, of course,
it's
on his...
Eggman's flying fortress. That's where the rest of the pieces
Oh
must
my
be.
god. Wait, but we don't see Knuckles. No way. How does Knuckles even get up
But
there?
I don't know where that ship is.
Exactly. Oh, what a coincidence. What a coincidence.
Hey, isn't that one of Eggman's robots? I know. I'll follow it back to Eggman's base.
Knuckles' master plan.
Here I come, Eggman.
Alright. Where did it go? That's another level, so I don't think I should follow it there. I have to go through here, right? It's not over here.
No trains are currently in service.
So this is when the strike happened. Where the heck is that damn robot at? Okay, when in doubt, we talk to her.
A huge building has appeared deep in the jungle.
A huge building. Oh, he's in the final egg. He's in final egg. Wait, so Knuckles is in final egg? Really? Yeah, there it is. Alright, now we go over here. Oh, no. Where's the bridge? Oh, okay. Cool. Cutscene.
Just what I thought. Time to make a house call.
Alright. Here we go. What the? Wait. This is before they... What? Wait, what the heck? Oh my god, I don't even know. We never even saw Knuckles in Sonic
Now
and
we'll
Tails
see who's
story.
so easily tricked. I can sense the emeralds are here somewhere.
Alright, I guess we're here now.
What's going on?
Alright, something's happening. Oh, okay, so Sonic and Tails just got onto the ship because that happens when Sonic and Tails gets on.
Ah, this thing's always changing.
Alright. Where'd I go?
Find the entrance to the sky deck. The Master Emerald is there.
Sky deck?
I sense
Oh.
the Master Emerald. It can't be far from here.
So the pool just got drained. Alright. Sky deck.
Either push or pull the lever to control the ship's tilt.
What the heck? It's over here. It's over here. Which one of you have it? No, it's the one on top here. It's that one. I see it. I see it. I literally see it. There we go. Finally. Alright, it's this one. Alright. Come on. Where is it? Oh, there it is! Okay, I need to tilt it again. Alright guys, this should be it.
It's no use.
No, don't die like that. Let me get the thing. We did it, finally. Oh my god, finally. Man, I hate this level.
Good enough. The last missing piece. All right. Now, to restore the Master Emerald.
So is he just gonna jump off? Or something? Why is there two? What? Whoops, sorry, my bad.
Oh no, not again.
Wow.
What is the meaning of this? Hey, what happened here?
I couldn't stop them.
Stop who?
They came, and my father. I had no idea how bad this would turn out. I'm shocked.
Look, it's the emerald. Wait.
Yeah, it's the Master Emerald.
Is this a dream?
It's a flashback.
It's more like a nightmare.
True.
Your friends are in front of the ship fighting. Help them.
What? No, but we don't see Knuckles up here before. No, we never did. What?
I finally found all of the missing emerald pieces, but I still can't figure out that creepy monster. Huh? What's that?
What? Okay. Wait, was Knuckles there when we fought Chaos 6? Am I dumb? Oh, he was! Wow, so Knuckles fights Chaos 2, 4, and 6, huh?
Not again! I hate you!
Hey, Sonic!
There you are, Knuckles. About time.
I will return!
Oh, they... Okay. Okay, so this is like after...
I'd better let Sonic handle it from here. He'll do okay. Now, I must return to Angel Island and the Master Emerald. No, it can't be.
What? How's he still here? I
I
thought...
guess he didn't get enough the first time.
What? I thought Sonic killed him already.
You can't stop me from restoring the Master Emerald.
I mean, okay, sure. Let's go. How do we fight this if Eggman's not gonna drop the bombs? Oh, the bomb's already placed. Oh my god. No, I'm... Oh. This is unfair. There we go. Just have to throw at him. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm just dead. Throw it. There we go. Okay, one more. I need to carry this. Oh my god. Miss. Change back to normal, right? What? There we go. Bye. Finally.
Is that all you got?
There we go.
Yeah, you're finished.
Wait, we got all the Chaos Emeralds.
What's left now is to return the Master Emerald safely to my island.
Knuckles, are you not gonna just take the Chaos Emeralds? They're right there. Okay, here we go. Final 3 pieces. Complete the Master Emerald.
This should do it. Perfect. All is well now.
Okay, what about the Chaos
The
Emeralds?
Master Emerald and the island have been restored.
Oh, so now we're gonna fly up, right? What's happening? Oh, yep. Now we're gonna fly up again. Up in the sky we go!
I'll probably be on this floating island forever. Guarding the Master Emerald again. I may not know the whole story behind this, but perhaps it's better that way. I'm at peace once more.
That's it for Knuckles' story, huh? Wow. So literally, all Knuckles was like, I don't care about Chaos at all. I just want to restore the Master Emerald. And this song, man. After that, he's just like, oh, I'm just gonna chill now. I don't care about Chaos. You guys do Chaos and Eggman. I don't care. We finished Knuckles' story, and up next is gonna be Amy's. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.